All right, this is the extra practice that I posted, a copy of the notes. So here, the A value is 1, 1 in front of R squared. You want to find the factors of 35 that add up to 12. Would be 5 and 7. So you got R plus 5. I'm going to have to fix this pen here. There we go. Let's stop this tablet for a second here. And then start it again. All right. Back to this problem. You want to find the factors of 35 that add up to 12, or 5 and 7. So we're going to have R plus 5 times R plus 7 equals 0, and R equal -5, or R equal -7. Number 2, you want to find the factors of -21 that add up to -4. Would be -7 and +3. So m minus 7. So I can just do m plus 3 here. And m minus 7 equals 0. So 7 or -3. Those are solutions there. Number 3, you want to find the factors of 56 that add up to 15. That's 8 and 7. So A equal -8, or A equal -7. Number 4, you want to find the factors of -12. So all these on this first page have an A value of 1, or leading coefficient of 1. And you just have to find the factors of the constant term that add up to your B value there. So the factors of -12 that add up to a 4 would be +6 and -2. So you got P equal -6, or P equal 2. And then the factors of -56 that add up to -1 are -8 and +7. So V equal 8, or V equal -7. And then the factors of 8 that add up to 9 or 8 and 1. And equal -8, or n equal -1. And then this one has a common factor of v. V equals 0, or v equal -5. This one has a common factor of x. X equals 0, or x equal 8. And then number 9, factors of -3, they give you 2, x plus 3, and x minus 1. And then the factors of 3, they give you a 4, or 3 and 1. So all the ones on this page have a leading coefficient of 1, or the a value is 1. And then looking through this page here, some of these you have to get all the terms on one side. So 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, you have to get the terms all on one side. And then 16 through 20 is where the leading coefficient is not equal to 1. Number 11, you want to get the 3 over here. So you have to subtract 3, and that leaves x squared plus x minus 12 equals 0. And then find the factors of -12 that give you a positive 1, x plus 4, and x minus 3. So x equal -4, or x equal 3. And this one, add 2 to first, both sides first. This is the difference of 2 squareds. That's a special case. M minus 2 and m plus 2. So m equal 2. Another way you could have proceeded with this problem is add 6 to both sides and just take the square root. You'll get the same answer. Here you want to add 4 to both sides first. So x squared plus 6x minus 7 equals 0. And then the factors of -7 that give you a positive 6 are 7 and -1. So x equal -7, or x equal 1. 14, you have to add 7 to both sides. So -1 plus 7 would be 6. And then the factors of positive 6 that give you -7 are -6 and -1. So this should be a k here. K equals 6 or k equal 1. $15, subtract 3 from both sides first. Then the factors of -3 that give you 2 are +3 and -1. And this one's already equal to 0. Leading coefficient is not 1, so we do 3 times -4 is -12. And then the factors of -12 that give you -1, -4, and 3. And then divide both of those by 3. So -4/3 and 3/3. Simplify. So you have 3a minus 4 and 3, or a plus 1. So a is 4/3 or a is -1. Kind of ran out of room there, but this is a 4 here. And then 17 you can factor out of b. So b equal 1, or b equals 0, or -1/3. 18. This is one of the ones on the slides. And you want to do 5 times -21 is 105. And then the factors of it's -105. So the factors of -105 that give you a -32, -35, and 3. Then you want to do -35 divided by 5 and 3 divided by 5. So simplified, -7/1. So n minus 7 and 5n plus 3. So n equals 7. Make a better equal sign here. N equals 7 or n equal -3/5. And then this one, 6 times -7 is -42. And then the factors of -42 that give you a -1. That looks like a 9, but it's a 4. And then -7/6 and 6/6. -7/6 you can't simplify, and 1/1. Let me move this out of the way here.